Hey folks, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. Today we're going to talk about 7 key tactics to grow your business. So let's dive in. Illustrate the advantages. People are drawn to the advantages that appeal to them. For instance, a woman might choose to buy a book to boost her confidence, while a man may do so for the joy of reading. Emotions play a role in guiding purchasing choices. Creating vivid word pictures that stir up emotions in buyers can lead to the desired response. When customers emotionally connect with the benefits, they are more inclined to go to the checkout counter. Guide them accordingly. So folks, click the link in the description and discover the essential steps to launching your own business with our comprehensive step-by-step guide to starting your own business. And of course, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you can keep receiving new videos to enhance your knowledge. Thank you for watching.